It's one thing to know your priorities and what you should be working on right now. It's another to know whether you actually have the materials needed to execute those priorities. The first challenge is knowing when you will actually need materials in the future. PFM helps you with that by visually showing you when you should start each job and, as a result, when materials are needed. Multi-level jobs with many sub-assemblies? No problem. PFM shows you when each subassembly or child job is needed at every level, showing the date each level's materials are needed right down to the raw material components. For real-time material status, PFM integrates with your ERP and brings over your current inventory levels and purchase orders, showing which materials have already been issued or kitted to the job and what's available in inventory right now with the material shortage indicator light. Green means no shortages, you're good to go. Yellow means some material is short, and red means all material is short. Easily drill down and see all the materials required. What have been issued, if any? What still remains? What's on hand? How many are short? And if short, is there a supply order coming in? Purchase order or work order? And for when and what quantity? If a work order, PFM will actually show what work center is working on the job right now. PFM not only shows your current material availability, but also shows future material problems and where jobs are currently projected to be held up in the future due to material issues, even though you may have plenty on hand right now. We'll discuss this capability and others in the next video. See you there.